share with you all my version for South Pork's famous pork wallap or barbecue pork wallap. So here I have a couple pieces of pork loin. What I'm going to do is go ahead and season this with some salt, and you don't want to add too much of salt because when we go to cook it we can add some more salt after the fact. To this I'm going to go in with a little bit of JGM Chinese seasoning. Now they don't use Chinese seasoning on their pork, but this is the way I want to make it. So you can use an all-purpose seasoning blend if you like. Now you're going to go in and massage the salt into the pork on both sides. And we're going to allow this to marinate for minimum 1 hour. So you're just going to cover this and place it in your refrigerator until it's finished marinating. So guys, here I have my oil hot. You want your oil to be nice and hot, so on a medium high I would say. And we're going to fry our pork pieces. When you put it in, don't leave it. It's going to stick to the bottom of the pot. Allow it to get across before you move it. I'm just going to check to see if it has color. Yeah, I'm going to flip this over. Okay guys, once the pork is nice and it feels firm, you can check it with a thermometer if you like. Make sure it has an internal temperature of 160 degrees. Once it's finished, you're going to remove it from your oil, drain it on some paper towels. I'm going to continue frying the rest of the pork, and I'll see you guys right back. So guys, as the pork is cooling out, what you'll want to do is go ahead and slice it against the grain into thin strips. And you see how it's well cooked? It's cooked properly, and that's what you want. So guys, now to cook the pork, we're going to go into our wok with some vegetable oil. Now you want your oil to be really hot, and you want your pan to be smoking so you can add some smoky flavor. We're going to go in with some chopped peppers and pimento peppers. Just let that saute for about a couple seconds, 20 seconds. I want to wake up the peppers. And then I'm going to go in with some sliced sweet peppers and onions. I'm going to season with some salt. I'm going in with pork that we cooked. Now I'm going to go in with barbecue sauce. And some ketchup. Now the barbecue sauce and the ketchup is optional. You could make this without it. I'm going to add in some scallions and sauce. And that's it guys, the barbecue pork wallap is finished. Now it's time to plate and enjoy.